What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to my channel and welcome to another color blend video. It's been forever. So in today's video we are going to be blending the colors pink. This is rosewood from the brand Expression. Then we are going to be blending orange as well. This is also from the brand Expression. And for the last one we are going to be blending color 99J. This is just like a mix of purple and brown, like color 33 brown, just so that it can have this brownish purplish color. So the brown is more than the purple in this case, so that is why it looks like this. So we are just going to get into blending. We are going to put all the colors together. Now for the ratio, I've been watching a lot of my videos lately and I've realized that it's going to be a little difficult to get the exact quantity of extension that I use. So we are going to be doing something called the ratio, and I just hope that this works. If it does and it helps you a lot better, please let me know in the comment section below. So we are going to be making the color 99J as our dependent factor. This is the color that is going to help with the other colors. So even if you are not using the same quantity of extension as me, you can still get the exact blend that I make. So let's use color 99J as our dependent factor. 99J is the biggest, is the one that has the most quantity of all the three colors. Now whatever quantity of 99J that you use, for you to get the pink and the orange, for the pink just divide the pink into 3. So like pink is 1/3 of the 99J. Do you understand what I'm saying? And then orange is 1/2 of the 99J. So whatever you do, let me just explain how you can do this. You can get the same quantity of all the three colors. Now you already know the quantity that you want the 99J to be. Make sure that all three colors are the same quantity as the 99J. The minute you do that, then divide the pink into 3 equal halves, so that way you can get the exact quantity of the pink that I used here. And then for the orange, just divide it into 2, so you can also get the exact quantity of the orange I use here. So basically you have a big bundle of color 99J, and then you have half of it for the orange, and then you have 1/3 of it for the pink. Let me know in the comment section if you tried this out and it works. Now let's get back into the blend. We've already gotten the ratio now. Another thing I would also like to say is that the pink in this case, I didn't want the pink to overwhelm the whole thing. I just wanted it to just be there, like just a dazzling effect. I just wanted it to have a dazzling effect, like it is not there but it is there when you look at it closely, and it did just that for me. Now I didn't expect that the orange would actually overshadow the 99J, but it did at the end of the day, and I'm not very mad at it. Honestly, I would have actually wished that the 99J would have been a lot more. It did that up, but lower, like the tip was a lot of the orange, and I feel like that is because of the length of the hair. So the orange in this case is a little longer than the other two lengths, which I'm really not mad at. You can use that to do like an ombre effect thingy. If you would like to see like a detailed ombre color blend, then go into the description box. I am going to put a link there so you can go check it out. I have two detailed ombre custom color blend videos on my channel already, and they are beautiful. The colors are amazing. Now let's just get into questions that I get asked almost every single time. The first one is the extension, the brand of extension that I'm using, and I feel like I say this all the time, and I'm an Expression girl. All the colors I use on my channel are Expression, and if I am using a different brand aside Expression, I'm just going to let you know. I usually say that I use mainly Expression. Don't let me say all Expression. I use mainly Expression, but if I'm going for a really bright and loud color that Expression doesn't have, I tend to deviate from Expression, and then I just go for other brands like Lush. But I do not really like the texture of Lush, so I try to like balance it by adding it with Expression at the end of the day. Now for those who ask me why I love Expression so much, it is the closest thin. It's the closest texture to like our hair, so it helps to like blend well with the hair, and it makes it very very easy to tuck in. And also it doesn't tangle as much as other brands, it doesn't shed as much, and it just gets the job done. Honestly, trimming it also, when you are done braiding, trimming it is usually very very flawless. Like when you trim other brands, it still looks like you have not trimmed it, and I don't like that. So yeah, that's why I love expression so much. It is the closest thing to the hair texture. It's also another thing that I didn't mention. It's when you dip it in water, it actually respects the water. It gets silky and straight. It's just perfect, honestly. Let me know in the comment section if you have like other brands. I don't mind trying out other brand of braiding extension. So we have been blending for a while now, and this is what it is looking like. But you guys know that over here I love to blend till all the colors are well combined. I mean, it is a blend for a reason. I love to blend till I cannot see a big chunk of one color, and as much as I say that that is almost impossible, you still want to make sure that you do your best. You don't want to end up carrying hair that is not like well blended. Now another thing is, at the end of this video I am going to show you what the braid looks like, because I used this color to make my hair. I wanted to do something different from what I usually do, so I decided to do these three colors, and I'm going to show you what it looks like at the end of this video. Let me know if you guys love this blend. If you do and you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe if you are not subscribed already. If you have other blend requests, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be sure to create them for you, and also let you know when it is up on my channel already. Okay, now another question that I get asked is, how long does it take me to blend? Now most of the time when I'm blending, I am just blending for YouTube. I'm not blending to make a full head of hair. Now, so based on this, it is actually relative. The length that you're making, and also the size of the length that you're making, first of all, is very very important. If you are making like a long hairstyle, and the braid length is also, the extension rather, the length of the extension is long, it might take you lesser time to blend a full pack of hair than it will take if the length of the hair is shorter. Now if the length of the hair is shorter, it will take you longer time because the length is shorter, so that means you have more extension to blend. But if the length is longer, you don't have to blend a whole lot of extension. Now I would just say it takes me around 10 minutes to blend. 10 minutes yet 10 minutes to blend half the pack of hair if the hair is the braiding extension is long. But if it is shorter, it takes me longer. I don't know why, but when the hair is shorter, it is much more difficult to um blend faster. Now this is what the braid looks like. I'm sure you've already seen what the blend looks like. This is what the braid looks like, and I am really really mad at myself that I didn't get a very very great camera angle for this. The hair is gorgeous in person, I just didn't get the right angle, and I am really really angry. Let me know in the comment section if you guys love this and you would be making it, if you would love to try it out. Now you can see the tips that I was talking about. You can see how orange it is looking compared to how the top is looking. Let me know guys if you enjoyed this video. This is the end of the video. I loved it, I am enjoying it, but I think I'm going to change these curls a little. I was trying to like experiment. I'm not really one with short hair like this is my first time doing hair this short, so it is still taking me a minute or two to like get used to it. But I think I will just change the curls later and then see how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you hopefully in the next one. Bye.